Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on hiding status and navigation bars in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to find this option and how to enable it. First we need to go to settings. In settings we need to open advanced features, and in advanced features we are looking for screenshots and screen recordings. And here it is, hide status and navigation bars while we are taking a screenshot or record the screen. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other options here. We need to tap it once and that's all that we can do here. The option is now enabled. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.